Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at this monster move to the downside in crude. This is our 240-minute chart, and you see our overnight high in crude was 64.88, and we pushed down as low as 61.60. So over a $3 move in crude just on these two bars. Now again, these are 4-hour bars, and this one doesn't close for another 2 hours. But huge move to the downside. Again, over $3 in crude, or more than $3,000 per contract to the downside in crude. This was our 30-minute chart, and you can see that in the London session, you had this shooting star off of resistance. The 200 EMA we know is significant support and resistance. Ran up there, popped above it just a little bit, left the topping tail, and the entire body of that bar was selling, followed up by another really bearish bar, opened at the top, closed at the bottom, closing under support on the 50 EMA, causing all of our other moving averages to cross to the downside and causing our fast and slow line on momentum to cross to the downside. And then crude just continued to tank for the rest of the morning. Our ultimate stretch target in crude was 61.67, got as low as 61.60. But at that point, we were significantly undervalued on the 30-minute chart, and we were significantly undervalued on the 240-minute chart. We know when we get deeply undervalued like that, that chances of price continuing in that direction go down. Now, crude could continue to tank for another $2-3 for all we know. It's just that we know that when we get significantly undervalued on our 240-minute chart on the value charts, that the probabilities of price continuing in that direction go down. This is what that looked like on our Renko chart. Right here was the pit open, the US session pit open in crude. We had a nice Trender Pro 2.0 signal for a nice move down. This is our large bar chart, so that's a $400 move there. Another Trender Pro 2.0 signal there for another $400 move. If you took that Trender Pro 2.0 signal, you would have gotten stopped out. And you may or may not have taken that. You were forming some divergence right there. We got a better pullback, reset momentum, got the fast line zero touch, and just took that right on down into our target. So again, just depending on how you're trading that, opportunity to grab up to a couple grand per contract in crude to the downside. Again, just depends on how you were trading that, but multiple setups off our Trender Pro 2.0 signal bar, wicks off our moving averages, plenty of opportunities to take advantage of that monster move to the downside in crude.